Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit above $500 on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description. Make sure you sign up and get involved today. What will Bitcoin be worth in 2025? That's the question on everyone's mind in the crypto space. From seasoned investors to curious newcomers, the potential for significant gains or losses is a constant source of debate. In this video, we're cutting through the noise and diving deep into the factors that could realistically influence Bitcoin's price over the next 2 years. We'll examine market trends, regulatory developments, technological advancements, and expert opinions to provide you with a comprehensive and objective outlook. This isn't financial advice, but rather a data-driven exploration to help you form your own informed perspective. Buckle up because we're about to unpack the Bitcoin 2025 price prediction. Before we gaze into the crystal ball, let's briefly recap Bitcoin's history. From its humble beginnings to its meteoric rise and subsequent corrections, Bitcoin's price has been characterized by extreme volatility. Understanding this historical context is crucial. We've seen massive bull runs fueled by institutional adoption, increased awareness, and narratives like Bitcoin as digital gold. We've also witnessed significant pullbacks triggered by regulatory crackdowns, macroeconomic events, and market sentiment shifts. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $100,000. We're seeing consolidation recently in a range with some volatility associated with the tariff wars in America. Several key factors are shaping the current landscape. Inflation concerns continue to drive some investors towards alternate assets, while rising interest rates and potential recessionary pressures are creating headwinds. The regulatory environment remains uncertain, with different countries taking vastly different approaches to crypto, and the ongoing development of Bitcoin network itself, including advancements like the Lightning Network, also plays a significant role. Let's start with institutional adoption. This is arguably one of the biggest driving factors of Bitcoin's price. Companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Major investment funds like Grayscale have also offered Bitcoin Trust to their clients, and payment processors like PayPal and Visa have integrated Bitcoin into their platforms. The trend continues toward institutional adoption and is likely to continue, but the pace is uncertain. Factors like regulatory clarity and environmental concerns will influence how quickly institutions embrace Bitcoin. If we see major players allocating a significant portion of their assets to Bitcoin, that would undoubtedly push the price higher. However, it's important to remember that institutions are also subject to market sentiment and risk management. If the macroeconomic environment worsens, they may reduce their exposure to Bitcoin, which could lead to price corrections. The regulatory landscape is a major wildcard. The stance of governments around the world will significantly impact Bitcoin's future. Some countries like El Salvador have embraced Bitcoin as legal tender. Others like China have imposed outright bans. Most countries are somewhere in between, grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies without stifling innovation. Positive regulatory developments, such as a clear guideline on Bitcoin investment and trading, could boost investor confidence and drive adoption. However, negative regulations, such as restrictive licensing requirements or outright bans, could have the opposite effect. The United States in particular is a key player. The SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, stance on Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds, has been crucial for recent price action along with the election of pro-crypto President Donald Trump. He has immediately ousted the anti-crypto SEC chair Gary Gensler, paving the way for a more bullish adoption, and a pro-crypto America is very good long-term for the space. One of the most predictable and therefore potentially influential factors is the Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, the reward for mining new Bitcoin blocks is cut in half. This reduces the rate at which new Bitcoin is entering circulation, effectively reducing the supply. Historically, halvings have been followed by significant price increases. It's been around a year now since the previous halving, and the price action since then has been excellent. We could see continued price increase due to significant demand for Bitcoin across the world as more large investors become involved, and we all know that the supply for Bitcoin on exchanges has been decreasing at a rapid pace over the past year or two. Furthermore, the impact of the halving could be influenced by other factors, such as the overall macroeconomic environment and the level of demand for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a static technology. Ongoing development and improvements to the network could also influence its price. The Lightning Network, for example, is a layer 2 scaling solution that aims to make Bitcoin transactions faster and cheaper. If the Lightning Network gains widespread adoption, it could make Bitcoin more practical for everyday payments and increase its utility and demand. Other potential advancements include improvements to Bitcoin's privacy and security features. These enhancements could make Bitcoin more attractive to a wide range of users, including those who are concerned about censorship and surveillance. Let's consider a few potential scenarios. In a bullish scenario, favourable regulations, widespread institutional adoption, successful implementation of scaling solutions, and a positive macroeconomic environment could drive Bitcoin's price significantly higher, potentially reaching 200k plus in 2025 and far beyond that price point in the extreme long term. In a neutral scenario, Bitcoin runs out of steam soon, entering a bear market. Mixed regulatory concerns, moderate institutional adoption, and a stable macroeconomic environment could result in a more moderate price increase, perhaps reaching 120 or 130k, before going into a bear market down towards the 40 to 50k area. Or in a very bearish scenario, if Bitcoin sees a significant dump from big investors, negative regulations, and a severe economic recession, increasing competition from other cryptocurrencies, or a major security breach could lead to a significant price decline, potentially seeing Bitcoin enter a bear market very soon, heading down towards the 30k area over the course of 2025. So what will the price of Bitcoin hit in 2025? The answer is complex and depends on a multitude of factors. While a crystal ball doesn't exist, by analysing trends, regulations, supply dynamics, and technological advancements surrounding Bitcoin, you can form your own informed opinion. What are your price predictions for 2025? Let me know in the comments down below. Also be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth crypto analysis. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.